In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an invoice template in Jobber, all in just 5 minutes. Whether it's your first time or you want to refresh your invoice design, this guide will make it simple and clear. First, open your browser and go to Jobber. Log in if you already have an account or sign up quickly if you're new. Once logged in, look to the top right corner of your dashboard for the gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click it and select settings. Next, head to business profile and scroll to client documentation settings. This is where you control how your client facing documents look. Click edit settings and select the invoices tab. Now the fun part, customizing your template. Personalize the header, content, footer and terms and conditions to match your brand. Use the preview option to see exactly how your invoice will appear before saving. Once it looks perfect, hit save and your new invoice template is ready to go. And that's it. Changing your invoice template in Jobber is fast, easy and helps you maintain a professional, consistent look for your business documents. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with Jobber.